Hello, today we're going to be repairing the stem on a vintage 1950s Omega. I'm Ponce Schlitzer, your friendly stem handler. So the stem popped out and it won't go back in. You put it back in, it's still loose. You think, do I throw away this expensive watch? No. Get yourself a watch knife and you're going to just kind of jam it into the edge there and you're going to pop off that case back. You can tell it's the pop-off kind because it doesn't have little notches for the watch wrench to screw off. So you just have to get it in there, pop it, and it'll come off. It's a little tough. Now that is an authentic Omega movement. Look at that, beautiful brass. Running perfectly. So we just got to get that stem and crown back inside. So what do? Now there's a stem release. It's a little button where the stem goes in. Now you want to depress that and then firmly press in the crown and stem. And you should hear a little pop as it goes in, a little click. But if you don't, pull it again and see if it still comes out, then you definitely need to press down that button and then push it until you hear that click. And as soon as you get that, press it out into the one position. If it doesn't go all the way out, then you've repaired your watch. And that's it. Snap your case back on and wear your Omega watch in peace. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe.